Hi, this is a tutorial on how to be able to share student answers with your co-teachers in Google Classroom. So you will have to go to Grade and Reporting and then select My Courses. So and then choose the courses that you want the co-teachers to be able to see the results. So you just click on this checkbox so that all the submission will be shared with the other course teachers in Google Classroom. To verify if your colleague is a co-teacher of the Google Classroom course, your colleague needs a Bookwidget account, and this account needs to be connected with his or her Google Classroom account. Now, to connect with a Google Classroom account, if that hasn't been done before, he or she needs to select a widget like that. Or if he doesn't have any widget, you can create a new widget as well. I'll just use one of the widgets here and select Share. Okay, from the menu and select Google Classroom for sharing. So I'm already connected to this Google Classroom, and I can see that these are the courses that is connected to my account. So now you can I don't have to share the widget after connecting. So that's it. Thank you.